Is anybody excited to see manatees? Don't be scared when you see this massive animal out there. That's what we're doing. We're going to see a manatee, okay? A couple things to remember. Because this is a lifetime experience, you have the opportunity to engage in something that nobody else in the world can do. You are going to have the ability or the opportunity to interact with an endangered animal. Just so you know, the three main rules that you need to remember are: one, no diving down on a manatee. What that means is, everybody wants to know why you're in a wetsuit in the middle of the summer. It's not to keep you warm, because we have a good sun to take care of that. It is to keep you buoyant, floating at the surface of the water. The U.S. Fish and Wildlife takes this law very serious. You can receive up to a $5,000 fine and a year in jail. So you don't want that. So we put wetsuits on you, keeps you at the surface of the water. It allows you to have an interaction with the manatee without disturbing them. When you see a manatee, and when your captain sees a manatee, he's going to point out and say, "There's a manatee, go ahead and approach the manatee." It is okay to swim towards the manatee. What you want to do, though, is you want to swim very peacefully, very quietly, and you'll get closer to the manatee. And if the manatee starts to take off away from you, you need to let it go. And often what will happen is you'll find that the manatee will go off, they'll get acclimated to you, and then they'll turn around and come towards you, okay? And if they do, then that's a wonderful experience. The next thing to understand is that there is no chasing a manatee. As I said, that's why you don't wear fins. You want to almost act as if you don't have any feet, if you would. You're going to float in like a dead man's float and use your arms to propel you through the water. We will also give you a noodle if you like, and that'll help keep you buoyant as well, because it does kind of get difficult to tread water for that long. The next thing, don't enter any manatee sanctuaries. Fortunately, during this time of the year, the manatees, typically they don't go towards the sanctuaries, so there aren't a lot of sanctuaries up this time of year, but there are a couple, and your captain will help you understand what is a sanctuary and what is not. That way you don't enter into a place that you're not supposed to be.